Hi friends, Kumud here. Today, as I promised yesterday to one of my friends, Shalini Tiwari, that I will be making a video on satin pothos. Here it is for you, Shalini, especially for you. This is a very small video, and I'll just explain how to grow it, how to care for it. So let's begin. So friends, first thing first, from where to get this plant? इस plant को कहाँ से लेके आए? So friends, दो तरीके हैं. देखिए, you can get it from the nursery, any nursery. You can just tell them variegated pothos or something, because nursery people usually don't understand the particular names, common names or scientific names which have been given to these plants. So you can yourself check in the nursery and buy it from there if it is there. Otherwise, I am here. You can take from me. I keep making cuttings and I keep propagating plants. I share with my friends. Sometimes I sell also. So there is no problem. Okay. So friends, ये जो plant है, ये पोथोस फैमिली को बिलोंग करता है. मनी प्लांट की जो फैमिली है उसी को ये बिलोंग करता है. उसमें बड़े सारे वेरिएशंस हैं, बहुत सारे डिफरेंट नाम हैं, और बाकी सारे पोथोस के ऊपर मेरा एक वीडियो भी बना हुआ है. इनफैक्ट 2 वीडियो मैंने बनाए हैं, जो कि आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएंगे. आप वहाँ जाके चेक कीजिए. सो उसमें डिफरेंट काइंड के पोथोस हैं. गोल्डन पोथोस है, मार्बल क्वीन है, देन enjoy hai, lots of them. So today we'll talk about this one. Its name is satin pothos or satin vine. Vine because it trails down or up like a vine. You see these vines, friends? Very long, like money plant. So we can keep them on moss stick also, or we can just keep on clipping on their extreme end, and it will grow like a bush. Or we can do some soil layering also. These small roots like this. These are roots. You must have seen in the pothos in money plant also. They all have roots on every node. You see, this is a small one. So if you just press any of the node in the soil, it will make a new plant like this. You can just put it here and cover it with the soil, and you can put a marble or some stone over it so that it stays inside, and after a few days it will develop roots there only. So let's talk about the soil conditions, friends. It needs, like all other plants, this also needs very well drained soil, and water. Yes, it requires moist soil all the time. So nothing much, and it's not a very fussy plant, and you can give it any soil. The only condition is that it should be well drained. And if we talk about the light conditions, friends, then it is an indoor plant, and like other indoor plants, this requires indirect sunlight. So inside the house you can keep it at such a place where it is getting indirect sunlight. You see why it is called satin vine? Because its texture is very velvety. It's a very soft velvety texture, and it grows like vine. Beautiful looking plant, friends, and it is not fussy. You can keep it as you want. You can make it bushy, you can keep it on moss stick, you can hang it, or you can take it up on the wall, or however you want to keep it. It's a beautiful non-fussy plant. Its texture, you see, the texture is so velvety. You can propagate it, friends, anyway. Like 2-3 ways are there. You can propagate it by cutting, by soil by soil layering, or you can grow it in water also, like any money plant. So anyways, you can grow it. It's a non-fussy plant. And if we talk about its food or its compost or its fertilizer, then once in a month you can give some fertilizer to it. If you got vermicompost, you can give vermicompost, or if you got some other fertilizer, liquid fertilizers, or any fertilizer, you can give it. These days we are getting some different kinds of fertilizers also in stick form. You see these stick forms. So these red ones are for flowering type, and these green ones for the foliage plants. So we can just insert one stick in the pot, and it will be enough for 2-3 months for it. There's a small pot and it will be sufficient. One stick will be sufficient. I don't know the cost of these sticks, friends, because I have never tried. My daughter has been trying these, and here in Switzerland she gets everything in euros. So in India it must be cheaper than this, and we can get it in the normal shops or in the seed shops, anywhere. In the plant shop, these days they have started keeping it. So friends, anyway you can give it. So next is, today I'll just show you how to make its cuttings. I've already prepared one pot for this. You see, this pot I have already prepared. Here everything, one gets ready-made, because in small apartments it is not possible to make compost. So she has been getting it from the seed shops, and this is a perfect soil mix. Here I touched it and I found that it's not cocoa peat mix. Here they use peat moss. So in India we can use it anyway. We can use our garden soil also. So since I'm not having my tripod here in Switzerland, friends, I'll just make some cuttings and show you, and how to plant them and how to keep them in water also. So here the cuttings are made, friends. You see this? There are about 4 or 5 cuttings here. These I'm going to put in the pot inside the soil, and I have made some more cuttings like this. These I'll put in the water. So both ways we'll try these cuttings, and it's simple. They take roots within no time, means within a week they take root. So I'll just put these sticks inside the soil and show you. So friends, I have propagated it in soil also. You see 4 stems, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 stems in this, and in water also I have put the cuttings. So both ways they'll grow. And then third method I told you initially, that we can do the soil layering also. You can just take a root, see a root in a node area like this. Just a second. Like this. This is the node area, and this is the root. Slight root is there. So we can just press it here and put a stone on this. Like a stone over it. So this way it will develop the roots here also. So these are the 3 methods we can propagate this plant, and that's it. I think I have explained everything. If there's still any query, or you want to know something else, Shalini or the other viewers, then you can ask in the comment box, and I'll reply it there. Okay friends, so that's it.